Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are having multiple news into the market today, that is at 5:45 p.m., 6 p.m., and 6:15 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious at these timings because it could be a high spread and high volatile timing, and which is not ideal for the smaller time frame or the lower time frame trades. So let's move to the charts now. So let's move to the monthlies. So into the monthlies, we can see that the price is moving into the downward side after sweeping the highs, and we are heavily bearish. So let's move to the weeklies to see what do we have in here to stop this movement. As we move to the weeklies, we can see there was a disrespect of this FVG and the price moved into the downward side, making this whole zone as a vulnerable range. So yeah, here we go. But for now, we'll be finding intermediate strong lows into the market right now so that we can day trade those levels. So this is the unmitigated zone from where the price can possibly react to because it was the basic foundation from where the price moved into the further upside direction and breached this high. So I'm anticipating that we can have a slight bullish push from here into the market. So I'll be removing it so that we can see a clear picture into the smaller time frames. So as we move to the dailies, we can see that this was the last order block from where the price moved into the upside direction. So I'm anticipating that we can possibly come down to this order block. So let's move to the 4 hours now. As we move to the 4 hours, we can see that after sweeping the low, the price was reluctant to go higher. We respected this FVG and then moved into the downward side. And currently, we are respecting this FVG. So, if we are going to close below it, most likely this will be our strong high, or the price can possibly sweep it. So, let's move to the 1 hours. As we move into the 1 hours, we can see that the price had respected this level already, and we have moved into the downward side and get a close below it. So for now, Asia high is our strong high and our ultimate invalidation zone. So I'm not anticipating that the price is going to take the Asia high today, and most likely we are going to respond from the 50% or 61.8% mark on it. So let's move to the 30 minutes now. So here we go. As we move to the 30 minutes, uh, the bias for today is that if we are going to make an Asia low like this, most likely into the London session, we are going to sweep it, move into the further upside direction, mitigate something into the Asia session, 50% or something, and then we are going to come down towards the order block of the higher time frame. So this is my overall analysis for today. Let's move to the 15 minutes to confirm that bias. So into the 15 minutes, we can clearly see that the price was reluctant here to go higher, but it moved into the downward side. We mitigated the higher time frame FVG, and currently Asia high is the level which is the strong high because this mitigation area. So I'm not anticipating that the price is going to go further higher than Asia session. So we'll be responding back from this FVG or this FVG most likely into the London session, and then we are going to move into the downward side. So this is pretty much it. Uh, do write me into the comments if you have any doubts, and I am still considering a few more students. I'll be messaging them who have already enrolled for the uh, mentorship. So yeah, this was the notice. This is pretty much it, and thank you for watching.